Dear students, Namaskar. I am Kalpana Gupta and I am your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you the chapter 3 of English. The chapter name is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. I think all of you have read a comic. Do you know what is a comic? A comic book contains stories told through pictures, and this chapter is also in the form of a comic. So in this chapter, the main characters are Gopal, Gopal's wife and king. And the difficult words of this chapter are courtier, temper, discuss, disgraceful, swearing, ridiculous and achieved. Now we start the chapter. In this chapter, this is the season of Hilsa fish, and in that place everyone is talking only about the Hilsa fish, whether they are the fishermen, whether they are the men, women, children, courtier, king, everyone is discussing only about the Hilsa fish. As we see that what is happening, whatever is going on in the country or whatever is going in the city, all of us try to discuss only the things that this time Corona is. This is the period of a COVID-19 and all of us are facing this problem, and everyone is discussing not only the Corona. Okay, so in this chapter also this is the season of fish, Hilsa fish. That's why everyone is talking about only the fish. Okay, fishermen also shouting, come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today, and the people were discussing about the Hilsa, what is the price of Hilsa, in how many money, what you pay for the Hilsa. Everyone is talking only about the Hilsa. So one day king observed in the court also that courtiers were also discussing the Hilsa. Okay, so he got angry and shouted on the courtier, whether you are a fisherman or the courtier. Then the courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. But after few time, king think that he lost the temper and it is his fault, because this is the time of Hilsa feast and no one can stop anyone to discuss Hilsa. Even Gopal is a vice person in the court, so he told that the Gopal also cannot stop anyone to discuss Hilsa. But Gopal said, I can do it. I can stop the people discuss about the Hilsa. So the king said to him, let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring without anyone asking you a word. Then Gopal said, I accept the challenge. Few days later, what he did? He shaved his half-shaved, जो shaving होती है वो half shave करता है उसकी. Then his wife asked her, why are you doing this? Then he said, I am getting dressed up. I am dressed up to buy the Hilsa. After that, he started rubbing his face with the ashes. Again, his wife asked him, why are you doing this? Then he said, I am getting ready to buy the Hilsa. Now his wife said, how can you go out in this ridiculous dress? But again he said, how many times I told you that I am getting ready to buy Hilsa. And he went to the market and brought Hilsa and went to the place. In the way, the children saw him and they shouted, see that person, what kind he dressed up and how he is looking. Everyone observed him and said something else about him. At the last, he reached the palace, and on the gate, no one allowed him to enter the palace because he was dressed like in that way that everyone thought that he got met, and so no one allowed him to enter the palace. Now he said that I want to meet king, but no one allowed him, so he started singing, dancing in a loud voice. When king listened the noise and told the people to send him in the palace. When he entered the court, Then courtiers and the king recognized him that the person who is looking like mad, he is not only, he is Gupta. Then courtiers said him, why are you dressing up like that? That he told to king that you gave me a challenge that come to the palace without anyone asking you a word about the Hilsa. And today no one asked me about the Hilsa. Even you are also talking about only my dressing sense, only my way of talking, and no one is asking about the Hilsa. So I accept your challenge as I proved it that I can do it. So king also admired him that yes, you can do it. So this is the chapter. The chapter has finished here and I think all of you have understood it. Thank you.